In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test purchases in your Squarespace store. This is a really useful process if you want to make sure your checkout experience is working correctly before real customers place orders. We'll go through how to turn on test mode, open your shop, and walk through a sample purchase so you can verify that everything behaves the way you expect. To begin, go to the top of your Squarespace dashboard and click the search icon. In the search bar, type test. This helps you quickly find the setting you need instead of clicking through multiple menus manually. When the results appear, click on Store Test Mode. Once you're there, make sure Test Mode is enabled. This is the key part of the setup because it allows you to simulate purchases safely without processing a real payment. Before you continue, take a second to confirm that the setting is definitely switched on. If it isn't enabled, your test order may act like a real transaction, so it's always worth double checking. After that, return to your main site navigation and click on Pages. From the Pages section, click on Shop. This takes you to your store area where you can access your products and test the buying experience from the customer's point of view. Next, click the preview icon in the top right corner. This opens the live storefront preview, which is helpful because you'll be testing the exact flows a visitor would use when browsing and purchasing an item. Once the preview loads, click on any product you want to test. You don't need anything special here, just choose a product you'd like to use for the trial run. On the product page, click Add to Cart, then move forward by clicking Checkout. At this point, you'll be taken into the checkout process just like a customer would be. Now, enter the information needed to complete the checkout. Fill in the required fields so you can test the full purchase flow from start to finish. As you do this, pay attention to how the page looks, whether shipping or billing fields appear correctly, and whether the overall experience feels smooth and clear. That's it. By following this process, you can confirm that your Squarespace store is ready for real orders while avoiding accidental live charges. It's a simple but important quality check, especially after making updates to products, payment settings, or checkout options. Once your test is complete, you can review the results and make any adjustments needed before opening things up to customers.